So it's been around 4 months now since I played my last rugby and probably last rugby training also. So today is training day, so I'm gonna head out with the boys and do some training. I'm a bit sick, so I'll see what I can do. Yeah, so today's video is the first ever training, rugby training after 4 months. The training is around 4-5 p.m. ish at Alabang, same place. It's around 11 a.m. now, so I'm gonna go and do some errands first and then come back and then get ready and go for training.
Well, I'm happy on my own, making coffee just for one, and eating breakfast all alone. Fewer dishes to be done. I'm never running behind. You're never on my mind. No longer there to make me comb my hair, fix my tie, or kiss me goodbye. Swear I'm happy on my own. No one to worry.
It's almost 4 o'clock now and we are heading for training, me and Nabrata. Same routine, we're gonna go meet the boys at Novali. Team will pick us up there and then head for training in Alabang. I don't know if the rest of the boys are already down there. Hopefully it's Wesley Snipes and John Stewart. Yes, John Stewart. We have our Green Lantern and we have Wesley Snipes. They're both Marvel characters. We have John Stewart, Green Lantern, and Wesley Snipes. Blade, sorry. So, yeah, let's go. This is a new tricycle. I mean, not new tricycle, but different variation. There's no guards or door. No guards or door. And the view is so nice with the driver. That's John Stewart. And Snipes. Darren. Anyway, we are here. Snipes just arrived. We're just waiting for Tim to come now. And then we'll head out.
Mr. Vlogger.
What's up, Mr. Snipes?
Yeah, I'm alright. I think.
To.
Joe.
So apparently my cameraman got injured. And I didn't know until now. Broke his jawline or something playing last weekend. Did he put his name to play today training? Oh yeah, he did put his name. So we're gonna check on him.
I will choose a rhythm you can dance to.
It is 5:47 and we are still waiting for Tim. Unfortunately. So the training will start around 15 minutes time and we are still here waiting. So Tim is on his way. We've been sitting here since 4 o'clock. So 1 hour, no, 1 hour 40 minutes. Almost 2 hours wait. We ran out of story to tell. I know.
No, now you start with that. I'm just need to
So we We are here a bit late, 1 hour late. We are here 7 o'clock here. Here. We are out like 6:45. We arrived at Alabang. There was rain coming here from Laguna. We meet the rain and then the rain left us, so we left the rain. Depends. Now we are here. Ooh. Apparently, I just found out today that this guy.
How do you bring it over here?
Yeah.
Most girls must say this in a minute.
He broke. Someone punched him.
You need to go with me? Yeah, just a ride out. It's all okay. Yeah.
But next week you'll play.
What do you have done? I think it's a 5 stitch.
5 stitch.
After 5 days.
5 days na lang. No fracture on him. Cut na. Cut.
Just cut.
He was mad there.
So no less infection. Some just cut, so they know what's a fracture. Deep cut. Oh yeah. It's very uneventful day, so that's why he's taking a video of me, you know.
He's Brittany.
Gemma. I have a new name actually. Shylock.
So, anyway, we left the field around something past 8. The training finished at 8 p.m. So its training is from 6 to 8, 2 hours. So we were actually late going there because of the rain, and also Timmy picked us up late. So otherwise the training was okay. A lot of new boys. We went there late, so we trained for only 1 hour or so. And then after that we came back. So I think Snaps was right. This vlog is a bust. I thought I'm gonna do like a nice vlog about training, but no. So yeah, a lot of new faces that comes and train. So anyway, we are home. We arrived here at around 9:20 something. So anyway, just showered, freshen up, and trying to end this vlog. So otherwise it was a wonderful day. So this is a daily vlog. See you on the next one.